Hi guys, so I am going to make some juice today. I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. This is just the juice that I like. Tastes good to me. Don't have celery, which I forgot to get. I also like to add that because celery, spinach, and cucumbers are really good for the juice. So as I set everything up, first I have all my mason jars here ready to go. I put a bag here so that it's easy to dispose of this after. You just take it right out. My juice here, I do put a mason jar here because when I take this out, I like to put this in so that it catches what's coming out. I have all my fruits. I'm about to move them out of the way, cut up everything. I just have to cut the apples in half and they'll fit. Cucumbers I'll cut in a couple. I have to do the mangoes, which is the hardest one, and some bananas. I have my spinach here that I already cleaned, and then I have my container here, so when this little thing gets full, I put it all in here, mix everything, and then pour it into the mason jars. So, and then after I pour it into the mason jars, I pour chia seeds into each mason jar. So I don't pour this into the big thing of juice. I put this on the top of when I finish filling up each mason jar. So I'm going to cut all this up now. There's my apples, my pears, and right on top of my spinach. Washed everything, and now I will start putting it into the juicer and just mixing. Since I want everything mixed, it doesn't really matter what goes in one because I put it all in here. But like if I just wanted specific things, and then do only that, and then, you know. Okay, I just finished. I have this tip to tip top. I still have some left in here, so I just mix this all and I'll put this into a mason jar. I leave this here so that, you know, the little bit that falls out. And let me show you guys this part, which I wish I knew somewhere to put all this. Like people use this for, I forgot what it's called and I don't want to say the wrong thing. But look at all of that. Pretty cool. I like all the shells of the skin. So you see, this is so much easier to shake. I went to shake this and the top wasn't fully on, and a lot of juice came out in the sink before. Oops. So you see, it's easier, really easy to clean up. With one hand, but and look. It's clean. Just have to rinse that and then tie this up and toss it. I don't want to do that with two hands. I don't want a bunch of fruit flies. And then I'll put all that in there too. Okay, so it made about 6 juices. I did add some water. A lot of people I've seen, they add coconut water, like they add some up to here and then they'll add coconut water because that has a lot of good stuff in it. I personally don't like coconut water by itself, so I'm trying to find something I like that I can add to it. Maybe if I added coconut water I wouldn't taste it, but I just add some regular water to it. So I got 6 of them, which isn't so bad. I still have a bunch of the same fruit to juice for the next few days, but we are going away and for one night, but I know I'm not going to drink as much this week. I normally definitely drink one every morning, so this gives me for 6 mornings, but sometimes I drink one at night, so it just depends. But now I'm going to put the chia seeds, which chia and flaxseed give it like a texture, and it definitely fills you. So what I do is open this. And I just use this tablespoon, and I put about a tablespoon in each, and then I mix it really good. And I have to mix it again when I go to drink it that morning, because it all separates, like the water and juice. Put about a tablespoon. I'll show you, I'll mix one and show you like how it changes the texture of the juice. And I have this in the morning for breakfast or for a snack at night after I'm done, during my fasting hours. So when I'm not eating, which is like I start my first meal from 12, so I fast for 16 hours. I eat from 12 to 8, and so I'll have one of these before 12 and then one after 8 if I need it. Okay, so here's how it looks with the chia seeds in it. So you see, like, and I'll probably add some more the day I drink it because I feel like I like the texture of the chia seeds. It's obviously optional. But yeah, then I put them in the fridge, and I don't have to put dates or anything on them because I'm gonna drink them in the next few days for sure. And then I have about the same amount to juice again in the next few days because like I said, I didn't do, normally I'll do all of it and then I literally have all the containers full, but I just did half of what I had for fruits and vegetables, and then I'll do it again in a couple days. And this is what I've liked, but I want to start trying new stuff. I'm the type who finds something I like and I stick to it. But if you have any juice recipes that you like or anything that I should add that wouldn't change the taste so much or anything, leave it in the comments below because I do want to try different ones. I've tried carrot ones before. I haven't tried beets yet, but I have tried carrot and all that. It wasn't my favorite. I drank it and it was good, but it wasn't my favorite, so I haven't bought the stuff for that one again, but I have tried that. So thanks for watching, and now I have to do all of that.